let's talk about when it comes to the India bloc leaders who have already started arriving for this meeting. Images coming in of Akhilesh Yadav, who has arrived for this meeting. And even when it comes to Champai Soren, the Jharkhand Chief Minister has reached. Now we are getting these pictures from Mallikarjun Kharge's residence as we speak. All right, we have Nyamika with us. Nyamika, when is this meeting expected to begin and who all have started to arrive?
Well, this meeting is going to start at 3 o'clock, and right now I would also like to show you the visuals here. This is the residence of the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, where the senior leaders of the Congress party has already arrived, which also includes the Congress General Secretary KC Venugopal. Apart from that, even Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has also arrived here, and in fact the Jharkhand Chief Minister Champai Soren is also being here, as he is also going to attend this meeting. And you can see in the visuals as well that Rahul Gandhi is here. Rahul Gandhi has arrived at 10 Rajaji Marg, which is the residence of the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, as he is also going to be a part of this meeting of the India bloc leaders who are going to discuss about the future strategy of the India bloc after the last phase of voting is currently going on, that what is going to be the strategy. And they are also going to discuss particularly about the June 4th, which is the result day of the Lok Sabha elections, because the Congress party along with the other opposition parties are going to discuss about the assessment of their respective states, and not just that, in all those areas where the India bloc is giving tough fight to the BJP. They are going to discuss that how they are going to deal in that particular areas. They are also going to discuss about the Form 17C, all of the issues which have come up during the polling in the EVMs. All these issues are expected to be raised by the Congress party. If there will be any kind of concerns which will be raised by the workers on June 4th, which is the result day for the Lok Sabha elections, all of these issues are going to be discussed, and that's the reason why many of the senior leaders are attending this India bloc meeting. Already Champai Soren, who is the Jharkhand Chief Minister, has arrived here. In fact, Akhilesh Yadav is also coming here. The Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal will also be attending this meeting. On the part of the Congress party, the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, the former President Rahul Gandhi are already being here at 10 Rajaji Marg. Even the General Secretary KC Venugopal and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is also attending this meeting. So it is surely going to be a crucial meeting ahead of the result day for the Lok Sabha elections, as what is going to be the strategy of the India bloc parties that will be discussed in today's meeting.
All right. So even when it comes to just a couple more hours left for the polling to get over, we are looking at the India bloc leaders who've already started arriving at the residence of Mallikarjun Kharge.